Hey folks, it's Jeff at thisweekwithjtt. It's pretty early in the morning, like about 1:20 in the morning and all that. I'm not supposed to be resting, I'm supposed to be sleeping because I'm not feeling good, but because I didn't go to church and I mostly slept all day because I'm trying to recover from a head cold. But I still got some energy left to do one thing only. Make some brownies. Check this out. Okay, this is Betty Crocker fudge brownies. Now this is how you normally make it. You need just 2 tablespoons of water, half a cup of vegetable oils, 2 eggs, and that's it. The pan size could be 13 by 9. As you can see here, 13 by 9. Oven temperature 360 degrees. Bake from 21 to 24 minutes. Simple, right? Except for one thing, do something different. Instead of using the vegetable oil, I'm going to substitute it. With what, you may ask? Well, instead of using vegetable oil, I'm going to use this instead. Sweetened condensed milk. And to cut up a bit, I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream to see what it comes out as. So, yeah, I'm in this crazy creative streak here. So let's see how it comes out, folks. Okay, put the contents in the brownies. We'll have to shift over here so you can see better. God, I don't want to make too big of a mess. Try to help it. Oop, yep. Nice size thing too. That's 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, from here. 1. 2. Okay. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay. Keyword, sweet and condensed milk instead of vegetable oil. Funny thing is, I did this with bacon grease, and it came out good. I was shocked. If you want to be really brave, you can take some actual bacon bits, put in the fudge, and you'd be surprised how good it tasted good. Just the bacon grease don't taste good, but I imagine put bacon bits. You know, if you really love bacon, you can put actual bacon bits in there, and I won't be surprised. And honestly, it came out fantastic. It came out good. Yeah, this thing takes forever to come out. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. Now stir it up some. But we're not done yet, folks. We're not done yet. Okay. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream, which would be this guy right here. Okay. And while I'm at preheating the oven, 360 degrees. It says we got some leftover sweet condensed milk. One up to go to waste. Oh yeah. I'm I'm not to see how it's going to taste though, because between heavy whipped cream and sweet condensed milk, it's going to do something to it. I don't know what it is, but it should be pretty good. What you think? And fun question, would you do something like that? You know, put sweet condensed milk and using vegetable oils, where add some heavy whipped cream? If you would, let me know in the comments down below. Last and not least, two eggs. That's one. Give that one. Alrighty. And then okay, so you can see it though. Let me see. Give it a shot of it best I can. Pull up some. Oh, there we go. Yep. So you got all of them mixed in together. You got the water, you got sweet condensed milk, you got the whipped cream, you got the two eggs in there. And then mix it in there good. Well blended, spread in the pan. Keyword, spread in a well greased pan. Yep. Hold on a sec. Oh yeah. See it now? Yep. It's looking like a brownie mix. It's looking like a brownie mix. Now you got yourself a nice 9 by 13 cookie pan. And you got to spray the thing in pretty good. This one here I like because this is olive oil, extra virgin of course, because it's the best type of oil to have. Instead of regular vegetable oil. If there's enough of that. Maybe over here, maybe. Now, the part I've been waiting for the longest time. Spreading the brownie mix aside. Here we go. This stuff is thick. Hold on. Yep. Got in. Let's see. Yeah, this stuff is thick. Hold on. Try to get as much as I can out. Okay. Well, I'm going to be looking at that bowl today. One person being an adult, you get to lick the bowl. Then again, there's some kids nearby, I let them have it. I know what it's like to be the one with to lick the bowl. Being an adult, but I am, who thinks like a kid, I'll probably like make this, well, our bacon's like, it's gonna eat the dough and be done with it. Just like you got cookie dough ice cream, is eat the cookie dough? Yeah. Guilty. Guilty. That's all I'm gonna say. I won't judge God, I'm guilty. You're gonna find memories of cooking with your mom, grandma, aunt. Do not forget to share on, in the comments. All right. Okay, put this on pause for a sec. Okay, ready to go in the oven. Okay. If I don't make too much of a mess over here, knock stuff over. Let the thing cook for up to about 25 minutes. So I see this one 25 minutes later. The Canadian said to come out, helping out. She's done. Oh wow, okay. Some of it rolls up. Ooh, thing's hot. Careful. Hold a sec. Yeah. Push this here. There we go. Okay, zoom out. Oh yeah. I let it cool for about a few minutes before I think about touching it. Okay, time to try a piece until it comes out. Here's the plate. Covers up the slice. That was noisy. See? Nice and soft. Imagine between the cream and the sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna need a spatula for this one here. Let's be on the safe side. So which spatula should I use? Something simple, something basic. I'm gonna go crazy. This guy. There's so many stories about me and spatulas. So many stories. Okay. Ooh, here we go. Okay. Okay, now give myself a fork. One more pause. Got a piece here. Okay, here you go. That's the brownie mix. Now to see how it tastes. Smells good. So it's not, let me see, kind of fluffy. The only downside, it has a cake-like feel to it, but it still tastes good. So I gotta make a note to hold off from the heavy cream. But other than that, even with sweet condensed milk, it still tastes fantastic. This brownie, let's chew it, it melts in your mouth, it tastes that good. I'll put it this way though, you gotta try awfully hard to roll the brownie. This is good. So between substituting the vegetable oil with sweetened condensed milk and a quarter cup of heavy cream, it tastes light, sweet, melts in your mouth. Can't go wrong. Try it, folks. Tell me how it comes out. Let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the kitchen. Peace.